that small S wait there for HTTPS. That S wait there for the ending. That S no there for decoration at all. No be because the developer wanted the URL. You know it to be URL for beginners. Uniform Resource Locator. I don't still teach you one small thing. No be say because developer want the URL to look expensive or sweet. No, that's not why that S is there. That S means secure. It not pass like that. And for this internet, all of us, they sniff data. Like say we dey book away they chop food. Guy, that S no take and play. Now, I'm going to start from the beginning. HTTP means, HTTP like this for screen. It means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What I talk? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. No let that intimidate you. HTTP just means the rule where your browser and the server take they talk to each other, take they communicate. When you open a website, your browser sends a request to the server. Then the server sends request back, right? Browser go say, I beg, give me this web page. Browser go reply, go give you HTML, CSS, JavaScript, whatever with the inside. You see that communication, so now HTTP. Now wait till you first talk from beginning. But here is the problem. HTTP is not encrypted. You know what encrypted mean, Abi? Meaning the data that is being changed, interchanged, a bit transferred between your server and your browser can be read or seen or studied if person intercept them. You understand, Abi? I tell you for normal language where you because you be bad guy, where you go take understand. You remember all those letters where they send give your babe that year when you small. It be like say you they send love letter with transparent nylon. You know, say they hide at that time. But using HTTP, which is without encryption, be like say they use transparent nylon till they transfer them. Or you they give the papa say make give him picking. And that one good part. What in law? Because it means everybody will hold them, go feel read them. If you write baby, I miss you. Before the letter reach baby, gateman don't read them. What in law now? If you even be saying Okada man go read them, or even the area boys, now then go read them. Even the woman where they say pop off don't already know your relationship status. You see them? That is HTTP. The message is moving. Yes, but it is not properly protected. You get the logic now. Now, imagine say you can't use website with only HTTP and you are passing sensitive information. It means everybody feels here. Imagine say you write for that letter now, say me 12 now go meet for somewhere. They will meet on there babuna. You see? Imagine say you go the password, email, card details, private message. If you even go be say you the pass admin login or API token for there. You know what they do so? You they share your secrets with big microphone like this kind of mic with speaker. That is why HTTP alone is dangerous for websites, especially modern websites. Now let's enter HTTPS. HTTPS means HTTP secure. It is still HTTP, but now protected with encryption using TLS. TLS, I don't tell you that before, mean transport layer security. Again, no fear the grammar yet. TLS is just what helps encrypt the communication between your browser and the server. So instead of sending data as plain text, HTTPS scrambles it in a way that only the server and the browser can understand. You see, if I say you they use language, you'll be saying now only you and the person know. Exactly. See, it's just like say they send message inside locked box, and now only the right person will get the key go feel open now. You see? So you go see say even if person intercept them, they no go feel understand or even open the thing. You understand? They may see that something is moving, but they cannot actually really read the actual content. Now the power of encryption be that. Now I might give you an example. You open login page, you type your email and password. Maybe email like this for screen. See? And the password. If person they watch the traffic on an unsafe network, the person may be able to read it. But with HTTPS, the data is encrypted. So instead of saying they go see the password, the attacker go see nonsense crippled data wey no make sense. You understand? Just like when Holy Spirit say, may you do something, sometimes to the word, it doesn't make sense. Now you know what they communicate between you and the Holy Spirit. Let's move on. So the VC rubbish like this kind of thing. Hacker self go surprise say we'll do this thing. That's not what we want. But you, that's what you want. Now, HTTPS, they do three important things. Number one, like I said, encryption. Number two, authentication. It they help your browser. They know say the website where they talk to now the actual website be that. Because you know say for internet, anybody feel wear anybody cloth, feel wear suit. Yes. Anybody feel create fake page. HTTPS go use certificate take proof say yes, this person so this website so now actually for this domain. Number 3, integrity. This one helps make sure that the data was not changed on the way. Because you know, say without protection, and somebody in the middle, fee just observe the data, change small thing, send and give you. If now account number, for example, go just change them for me to put your own, you just collect. Imagine say you order jollof rice and then somebody change it to boiled yam on the way. Maybe witchcraft be that. Exactly. Because we know call that one delivery again, now attack be that. So HTTPS help us protect that kind of nonsense. Now, let's talk about the padlock icon. What would they see for that browser? You know that padlock? Yes. When you see HTTPS and that browser padlock, it means the connection between your browser and that website or server is encrypted. But calm down first. Let me tell you something. This one, they very important. HTTPS no automatically means say the website good though. I don't talk for many of my videos. It only means the connection is encrypted. Because scam websites too, they use HTTPS. Yeah. Phishing pages can also have padlocks. Fake login page can also use SSL. So no go to talk say because padlock they say the website they holy. Now play you they play. Padlock just means the road is protected. You get the point? It does not mean the destination is trustworthy. You understand? If you enter correct road to thief house, what does it still mean? Na thief house you still enter. So always they check the domain name too. You see this thing for screen, Paystack and this other one, they no be the same thing. So don't go the leg padlock, they deceive you. Now, as a developer, why should you care? Because for inside production, your website should normally use HTTPS, yeah? No argument, just do it. HTTPS. In fact, if they use Chrome and some serious browser, they go warn you say if not just HTTP, they will tell you say it's not secure, no go there. For example, payment providers require HTTPS. Secure cookies need HTTPS. Service workers need HTTPS. In fact, many APIs and integration experts in HTTPS they use. If your website they require people to log in, create account, do this, do that, something that's supposed to be secure, and you see there for HTTP. My guy, no be MVP, you do so. That one are most vulnerable product. Now you don't bring come out. So for HTTPS to work, your website need SSL or TLS. So for HTTPS to work, your website need SSL or TLS certificate. That certificate be like digital ID card for your own domain name. It just says this server is allowed to represent this domain. You understand? Now, certificate authorities, they issue certificates. You think still get free certificates with tools like Let's Encrypt? Yes. Now, why many people, they use Sandbox with Nginx or Apache to enable HTTPS? So, like I first explained before for my previous video about DNS and other ones, the typical case go be say, user visit your domain name, maybe something like this. Browser connects to your port on 443. Server presents the certificate. You see how? Remember, say I say HTTPS there on 443 for my previous videos. Browser go check if the certificate they valid. If everything they sharp, secure, encrypted communication go start to the happen. You grabs. So HTTPS they use 443. HTTP they use 88. I think so. 80, yes. So anytime when you hear open port 443, that one usually means that they want me you open secure encrypted communication or port. But I tell God beg you as I talk for my ports video. Don't go they open every port because you say tech prophet talk am. Open only the port you need. Yes. So small summary. HTTPS now open mouth. Wow. When they say person open mouth, wow. You don't look what they talk. Good. Then HTTPS now protected conversation. You see how? Anyways, bye.